morning. Welcome to my university house. I don't know if you've ever really seen this place, but we are back at school, back into the routine of things. It's been a little weird just because it's kind of like a lockdown right now, so everything just feels a little different. But let's just get started. Okay, so the first thing that I normally do in the morning, and this is actually something that I recently started doing, I'd say around maybe like a month ago at this point, 3 weeks ago, but that's making celery juice. And I'm not kidding when I say I'm actually doing this. Like, I've been doing this regularly and it's very exciting. These are some clips of me doing it in my free time. Oh my gosh. Holy shit. Look how much celery. I actually looked crazy. I think I bought like 10 heads of celery. Is that too much? This is literally, this looks like I'm pouring, it's like I'm pouring soup everywhere. Just give it a bit of a shake. So essentially what I do is I use a juicer by the company Breville. I'm not too sure how to say it. And then I usually just store it in a container. This is like a Nutribullet container, but yeah. Usually I have more than this, but I drank a lot more the past couple of days, so have a little less, but it'll do. And I usually just drink celery juice on an empty stomach. Okay, so I just finished class and I'm really hungry. So I'm going to be making basically the breakfast that I make almost every morning. Like, if I'm not having a smoothie or if I'm not having oatmeal, usually I do avocado toast with some eggs. But I feel like I add a few different things that I feel like just like gives it more flavor that I wanted to share with you guys. So yeah, let's just go ahead and make that. I still don't have a tripod. What's new? This is ridiculous. Take your lemon. I'm gonna cut this lemon, half of it I'm gonna use on the avocado toast. I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit of lemon juice on, and the other half I think I might just put in some lemon water. Okay, so for the rest of the avocado toast, I'm just gonna be adding some salt and pepper, and then I also like to add a little bit of paprika. And that's about it. And voila, you have breakfast.
Good night, baby. Just a kiss, good night, baby. Baby, shampoo and come and save me. I've been missing Lady Luck ever since she started hating. I've been waking up too early. I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of the night. Watch the stars from different places on the faces.
Okay guys, so I just finished my workout and now I'm kind of hungry and I really want a smoothie right now. I'm kind of craving one, so I think I'm gonna make one. I like making the smoothie that I kind of learned how to make at a smoothie shop over the summer about a year ago, and it's just absolutely delicious. I've changed it a bit, but it's literally fabulous. Okay, so basically what you're gonna need for this maca cinnamon smoothie is 1 cup of frozen bananas or regular bananas. Then you'll also need a 1/4 cup of cashews, a 1/4 teaspoon of maca powder. You're also gonna need 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of cocoa. I'd say about a cup of ice. And then in terms of your liquid, if you wanna make it more so like a milkshake, you can do any type of milk. I would do oat milk, or you can do water. You'll also need 2 to 3 dates.
Away the K and march ourselves right into cages in the prison of belief. 'Cause baby, it's you. Baby, it's true. Baby, it's you. I don't want anything else but you. The truth is running away. Started out as funny, now the bees looking for honey, and I don't know what I should say. People ask us what we're doing, but it's all kind of confusing. It's like,
Okay, hello. I feel like I've made like 1,000 outfit changes in this video. I think it's just because I gradually get like hot or cold throughout the day. So that's kind of what's been going on, but it's honestly kind of late. I think it's because I had that smoothie kind of later on in the day, but it's currently 8 o'clock at night. If we're being real, that's kind of how uni life is. You kind of eat whenever you have a chance to. But I'm actually making a really delicious recipe, so I'm really excited for it. Okay, so I've made this meal a few times at home, but essentially what it is a Thai peanut salad with chicken and a whole bunch of other really yummy ingredients and vegetables. And it's honestly just my go-to. It doesn't take very much time and it's just super healthy and it tastes absolutely incredible. Okay, yay, let's do it. Okay, so this is everything that you're gonna need for the sauce. Once again, the link to the recipe will be down below. And then this is kind of like the base of everything. So you have your chicken, your lettuce, your cucumbers, and your red pepper. Okay, so I'm just gonna start with the sauce.
Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some sofa sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny.
Okay, so this is kind of a little bit of a tip. So the recipe that I am linking down below, which is kind of the one I'm following, says to use granulated sugar, but I'm not really a fan of granulated sugar. So whenever something says to use sugar, I literally just use maple syrup. So that's what I'll be doing. My garlic went bad, so I think I'm just gonna use garlic powder.
You know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun comes out? the drum blows, yeah. It's just the drum blows, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah.
Okay, here's the chicken. Here's a salad with the cucumbers and the pepper. And here is the dressing. Let's put it all together.
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why?
Yay.
Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah.
Let's go eat this bad boy.
No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking
Okay guys, so those were basically all of my meals, kind of what I eat in a day. Since I'm eating pretty late, I probably won't have any snacks later tonight, but if I do, I'll keep you guys updated. I feel like I kind of just eat whenever I'm hungry, so if I do, maybe I'll just have a fruit or something later on tonight. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I actually had a lot of fun making this. I feel like I don't really have a lot of food content on this channel yet, so I'm kind of excited that I finally got to show you guys that I can cook a little, so that was fun. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I got the drum blows, yeah. Walk around like